How to convert Steam points into Steam Wallet money. And yes, this process actually works. First, open Steam and go to Store, then Points Shop. Here you can see your current Steam points balance. Now click on Seasonal Badges. These badges can be purchased using Steam points, and they also increase your Steam level. For example, I'm currently at level 3, so I'll purchase this 3,000 point badge. And as you can see, my level immediately goes from 3 to 6. But why does the Steam level matter? Well, higher Steam levels increase your chance of receiving booster packs. These booster packs can contain Steam trading cards, which you can then sell on the community market for Steam Wallet money. So once you have some trading cards, click on your username at the top and open Inventory. Here you'll find all the cards you've collected. Choose any card you want to sell and click on View in Community Market. Here you can check the current selling and buying prices along with the price history. This helps you figure out a reasonable price for your card. Click on Sell, then scroll down and click Sell again. You'll see the price history once more, along with the You Receive and Buyer Pays boxes. Set the amount you want to receive, keeping in mind that Steam's fees are included in the buyer's price. Then agree to the Steam subscriber agreement and click OK. Once your card is listed, anyone can buy it from the community market, and when it sells, the money is automatically added to your Steam wallet. You can then use that balance to buy games and other things on Steam, and that's it.